Hi guys, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we are going to show you the best hitch bike racks of 2024. The best hitch racks are easy to use, stable, and can carry a range of bike sizes and styles securely and with little fuss. Hitch bike racks are one of the best ways to transport your bike safely to any destination. Choosing a good hitch bike rack, however, isn't that simple, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the best hitch racks we tested. If you are interested in any of these hitch racks, the links to them are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 5. The RockyMounts GuideRail 2 bike rack offers simplicity and strength in a lightweight package. Available in both 2-inch and 1.25 versions, it weighs just 49 pounds due to its sturdy aluminum construction. The machined aluminum trays are rated to hold 60 pounds each, featuring ratcheting arms that securely hold bikes by their wheels. With a simple flick of the anodized blue ratchet levers, the arms fold outward, providing ample space for loading bikes of various sizes. Adjustable bridges on the arms accommodate different wheel sizes, with the option to lower for 20-inch wheels or raise for 29 wheels. The rack utilizes a 3-axis anti-wobble system tightened via the hitch pin, which also includes a keyed lock for added security. Additionally, a 10mm square link chain is included to lock bikes to the rack, enhancing peace of mind during transportation. Praised for its modern design and ease of use, the GuideRail stands out as one of the top bike racks on the market. Its 2-arm design with a user-friendly ratchet mechanism securely locks bikes in place without any movement during transit. Moreover, the effortless release mechanism allows for easy unloading, eliminating the hassle often associated with other rack designs. While it may not be compatible with fendered bikes, the GuideRail's versatility and durability make it a top choice for cyclists seeking a reliable and lightweight solution for transporting their bikes. 4. The Yakima OnRamp rack revolutionizes bike transportation with its innovative loading ramp and versatile bike attachment system. Constructed for convenience and durability, this rack effortlessly accommodates all types of bikes, including those with thick tubes or fenders. With a hefty weight limit of 66 pounds per bike, the OnRamp handles even the heaviest e-bikes with ease. The included loading ramp, attachable to either end of the bike trays, simplifies the loading process, especially for those with limited strength or mobility. While it may take a bit of extra time to use, the ramp eliminates the need to lift heavy bikes onto the rack, enhancing accessibility for all users. The OnRamp's central support arm and adjustable attachments secure bikes by the frame, while straps on the cradles ensure additional stability. Despite its high weight capacity, the rack itself weighs just 43 pounds, making installation, removal, and maneuverability effortless. Compatible with wheel sizes between 20-inch and 29, tires up to 3.25 wide, and wheelbases up to 50. The OnRamp also offers an optional fat strap kit for fat tire bikes up to 4.5 wide. Furthermore, the OnRamp features an all-in-one cable lock that secures both the hitch pin and bikes on the rack simultaneously, enhancing security during transit. Its novel design makes it particularly well-suited for transporting e-bikes, providing a convenient and reliable solution for cyclists of all levels. Number 3. The Thule Epos rack redefines convenience and versatility in bike transportation. A successor to the Easy Fold XT, it promises to accommodate virtually any bike type with its high weight limit and unique attachment system. Despite its robust capabilities, the Epos maintains exceptional lightweight and foldable design for easy handling and storage. Weighing just 38 pounds, the Epos is impressively lightweight and compact when folded, featuring integrated wheels and a carry handle for effortless mobility. Installation and removal are simplified with Thule's stinger pin and locking anti-wobble knob design, complemented by adjustable hitch compatibility. The Epos's telescoping arm design allows for frame or rear wheel clamping without frame contact, ensuring versatile bike compatibility. Long steel-reinforced ladder straps provide a secure hold, while an optional high-grade cable lock offers added security. Versatility shines through with a high weight limit of 75 pounds per bike, accommodating various tire widths and wheel sizes. While the loading process may require more steps than other models and some plastic parts raise durability concerns, the Epos excels in providing storability, versatile bike fit, and the capability to transport heavy e-bikes. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, the Thule Epos offers a convenient and reliable solution for transporting your bikes with ease and peace of mind. 2. The Kuat Piston Pro X captivates with its modern and sophisticated design, showcasing its robust build quality and reliability. Crafted from high-quality materials, including Kashima-coated hydro-pneumatic arms, this bike rack not only exudes durability but also offers protection against harsh weather conditions. Its platform system is ingeniously designed to accommodate bikes of various shapes and sizes, ensuring a snug fit with adjustable tire cradles that minimize movement during transit. Moreover, the integrated cable lock provides an extra layer of security, offering peace of mind during quick stops or longer breaks on your cycling adventures. Setting up the Piston Pro X is remarkably straightforward, thanks to the inclusion of all necessary tools and the user-friendly design. Within no time, the rack can be securely mounted onto a hitch receiver, and adjustments to fit different bikes can be effortlessly made. Whether you're loading up a sleek road bike or a hefty fat tire bike, the rack's versatility shines through, accommodating wheel widths from 18 to 29 inches and supporting up to 67 pounds per tray. What sets the Piston Pro X apart is its thoughtful features, such as integrated LED taillights and the option for a license plate mount. These additions not only enhance safety but also ensure compliance with traffic regulations. While the price may deter some, the rack's stability, ease of use, and durability make it a worthy investment, particularly for serious cyclists who prioritize performance and reliability. 1. The Thule T2 Pro XTR Hitch Bike Rack is the epitome of premium quality and design, tailored for the avid cyclist who demands nothing but the best. Its robust construction and award-winning design cater to a wide array of bike styles, including e-bikes, ensuring versatility without compromising on durability. One of the standout features of the Thule T2 Pro XTR is its hassle-free design. With the tool-free auto-attach system, installation and removal are a breeze, allowing you to focus more on hitting the road and less on wrestling with your bike rack. Additionally, integrated wheels facilitate effortless maneuverability, streamlining the process of attaching and detaching the rack from your vehicle. But what truly sets the Thule T2 Pro XTR apart is its rigorous testing process. At the Thule Test Center, this rack undergoes the most demanding tests on the market, including simulated drives around the world and exposure to extreme temperatures. This ensures that when you invest in the T2 Pro XTR, you're investing in unparalleled durability and reliability. The feature set of the Thule T2 Pro XTR further enhances its appeal. With its ability to accommodate nearly all styles of bikes up to 60 pounds without any frame contact, coupled with integrated locks for both bikes and the rack itself, you can rest assured that your precious cargo is safe and secure during transit. Moreover, its versatility extends to its compatibility with various wheel sizes and tire widths, making it an ideal choice for cyclists with diverse needs. Whether you're hauling carbon frames, mountain bikes, or fat bikes, the T2 Pro XTR has you covered. And for those with a larger crew, the option to carry up to 4 bikes with the Thule T2 Pro XT add-on ensures that no one gets left behind on your cycling adventures. So these are the 5 best hitch bike racks of 2024 that we've tested. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.